Count on the Channel 3 Storm Alert Team. 4 meteorologists tracking severe weather, giving you accurate forecasts with reliable information so you can be prepared. Channel 3 is weather coverage you can count on.
Let's take a live look outside on this Thursday afternoon from the Mission Ridge camera, and you see those blue skies. It feels good out there. As a matter of fact, feels more like spring than wintertime. Let's get the meteorologist Cedric Haynes here in the studio for a look at our afternoon forecast. Cedric.
Yeah, good afternoon, Latrice. Welcome to December here across the Tennessee Valley. Temperature right now at lunchtime, 65 degrees with that sun out there. So it's a very nice spring-like afternoon shaping up across the area. The warm air blowing in under these southwesterly winds, and we're going to see that continuing at least for the next 48 hours or so. So right now we've got 64 degrees from Cleveland, Athens over towards Dayton, 63 in Altamont and Fort Payne, 65 in Chattanooga, but 64 currently in Dalton and 64 degrees in Murphy. Now, so go throughout the rest of this afternoon. Again, we're going to see lots of sunshine, a couple of high, thin cirrus clouds from time to time, but overall, sunshine will be the main theme, and that'll help boost these temperatures up. So I think we climbed to near 70 in Cleveland this afternoon, 71 Chattanooga and Dalton, 70 in Fort Payne, 68 Blue Ridge, and about 67 in Murphy and Altamont as well. Now, we've got a big game coming up, of course, this evening. We've got the Blue Cross Bowl that'll be taking place, McCallie versus MBA. And again, that's going to be tonight at 7 p.m. Temperatures right around 61 degrees, so it'll feel more like a October-like evening out there across the area. And you'll see these temperatures 58 at 8 p.m. and 9 p.m., 56 degrees. So fairly mild for the football action if you're going to be taking that in tonight. And we'll, of course, want to send a good luck to McCallie as they get ready to take on NBA later this afternoon. Now, high temperatures for tomorrow, about the same, if not a degree or two warmer in most areas. We'll go with about 72 in Chattanooga, 71 Cleveland, 70 in Dayton and Fort Payne, and 71 degrees in Dalton. But again, we've also got more football to talk about. So South Pittsburgh visits McKenzie there at Friday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And we'll have mostly sunny skies, another spring-like afternoon. Temperatures right around 70 degrees. So we've got some great football weather for both South Pittsburgh and also for McCallie as well. And again, we want to send a good luck to both of those teams as they go ahead on and have some great football as we go into the next 24 hours or so. Now, after we get past that, we've got to talk about a more active weather pattern, a wetter pattern that will be shaping up across the area as we get into the next 6 to 10 days. So it's been fairly dry recently, but that's about to change. Let me show you Futurecast, and you can see as we go throughout the next 24 to 48 hours, again, we've got that nice weather because this front will be moving by, giving us pretty quiet conditions. Now, this weekend, we're going to have another front that's going to kind of stall out across the area. So I do think that's going to bring us more clouds across the region. And yes, we could see a couple of isolated showers trying to sneak in, but I think most of that will stay to our west. But I can't rule out a sprinkle either Saturday or Sunday. But no major rainfall expected until Monday. That's when the system number 1 moves in. It's this cold front. And it will bring us a much better chance of widespread rain across the area. But the front doesn't move much. It basically stalls out, and more waves of energy travel along this front. So we'll get another good wave of rainfall, potentially as we get towards Wednesday of next week. And if that wasn't enough, how about another wave that may move along this front as we get into your Thursday? So overall, here's the bottom line to this. We're going to be seeing a much more active and wetter pattern as we go into next week compared to what we have been dealing with. And some of this rain could add up, but of course we do need it. So out of that first system coming through on Monday, we'll be talking about anywhere I'd say between a quarter to a half an inch of rain on average as it moves on through. But when you add that in with the next system that comes through by Wednesday, you're talking rainfall totals in the Tennessee Valley between about 2 to 4 inches. And again, we could have more rain after that. So you get the idea, a much more wetter pattern shaping up next week. But for the rest of this week, how about warm conditions and lots of sunshine, highs in the lower 70s. The weekend, clouds, but mainly dry, minus a sprinkle or two. And then next week, get ready, get the rain gear, find the umbrellas, the rain boots, because you're going to need them. More active and wetter days on the way, Latrice.